Automakers are considering using robots to offset rising labor costs, especially with the competition from companies like Tesla that are aggressively deploying factory technology.
Ford's finance chief, John Lawler, mentioned opportunities in automation as a way to cover the cost of its new labor contract, while also exploring other options like simplifying vehicle designs.
Rising labor costs are expected to accelerate the adoption of automation in the automotive industry, according to Lori Harbour, president of a manufacturing consulting firm.
The United Auto Workers approved a labor contract in 2023 with wage increases of up to 25% for Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis, leading to increased labor costs for these companies.
Toyota, Hyundai, and other non-unionized automakers raised wages to remain competitive after the Detroit labor contracts were approved.
Automakers have been using robots since the 1960s to improve manufacturing efficiency, and the auto industry is one of the top consumers of industrial robots.
Tesla has been a leader in factory robotization, pressuring other automakers to follow suit as it aims to cut future production costs.
New battery factories and electric vehicle plants are likely to lead to increased use of high-tech systems, as it is easier to install robots in new facilities.
Automakers are expected to introduce more robots over time, primarily replacing workers through attrition rather than mass layoffs.
The increased use of robots has made the UAW and its members concerned about potential job displacement.
There are varying opinions on the extent of automation in the auto industry in the next decade, with some suggesting that streamlining production processes may be more cost-effective.
Despite gains in productivity, the need for personnel to maintain and program robots could offset the benefits of automation.
There are risks associated with automating, including potential quality issues when introducing robots for the first time.
Retrofitting existing factories with new machinery can be expensive, making it more appealing for companies to stick with the current processes.
The automotive industry installed 136,000 new industrial robotic units in 2022, making it the second largest consumer of robots after the electronics industry.
Cobots, or collaborative robots, work alongside human workers to handle tasks in difficult-to-reach areas or those requiring physical strength.
Automakers like Ford have been using cobots to improve manufacturing processes across their global plants.
Executives at Tesla have emphasized the importance of automation in achieving their goal of reducing the cost of making future models by 50%.
New battery factories and electric vehicle plants are expected to facilitate the widespread use of high-tech systems in the industry.
Automakers are likely to gradually introduce more robots and automation to replace retiring workers, rather than implementing mass workforce reductions.